Breaking news: Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have signed a NATO-style defense pact. Now here's the big question: if India and Pakistan ever go to war, does this mean Saudi Arabia will also attack India? What makes this even more interesting is that Pakistan is a country often seen with a begging bowl, having nothing major to offer except one thing: it's the only Muslim nation with nuclear weapons. And yet, despite its weak economy, it has managed to secure this pact with Saudi Arabia. At the same time, Saudi Arabia shares massive trade, oil, and energy ties with India. So where does this leave New Delhi? Let's break it down. The pact explained. Saudi Arabia and Pakistan announced their new strategic mutual defense agreement during PM Shehbaz Sharif's visit to Riyadh. The pact pledges military support against any external aggression, institutionalizing decades of security cooperation between the two nations. Saudi officials said it's not linked to any specific conflict, but it's a shift towards a formal military framework. Key highlights: any attack on one country will be considered an attack on both. It covers all military means, though Saudi officials did not clarify if it includes Pakistan's nuclear arsenal. This agreement builds on years of military cooperation. Pakistan has trained over 8,000 Saudi soldiers since 1967. Timing of the deal: the pact comes just days after the Arab League and OIC meeting, held right after Israel's strike on Doha targeting Hamas leaders. While Saudi Arabia insists the deal is not linked to that incident, the timing has raised eyebrows globally. India's reaction: India has officially responded, saying it was aware of discussions between Riyadh and Islamabad. The External Affairs Ministry confirmed it will carefully study the implications for India's national security. Spokesperson Randeep Jaiswal stated, "The government remains committed to protecting India's national interests and ensuring comprehensive security in all domains." Interestingly, even as Riyadh signs this pact with Pakistan, Saudi officials reaffirmed strong ties with India, saying, "Our relationship with India is more robust than ever, and we will continue to grow it." So what does this mean for India? On one hand, Pakistan gains a powerful defense partner in Saudi Arabia. On the other hand, Riyadh continues to court stronger trade, investment, and defense ties with New Delhi. The big question: should India step up its engagement with Saudi Arabia, or keep a cautious distance? What do you think? Is this deal a game changer for regional security? Comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive analysis.